Hello my YouTube friends, welcome back to my channel. As you can see, today's video is pretty red and I'm going to talk about the two red handbags I recently purchased from Hermes. If you watch my biggest unboxing video, you know I was very fortunate that I was able to score this Birkin 25 in the color geranium with gold hardware from Vegas. And I absolutely adore this bag. This is my second Birkin 25, and if you're interested in learning like how I scored this bag, what other stuff that I purchased from the store, please follow this link and watch my unboxing video. And if you watch that video, you know that I also scored this the Hermes in the Loop handbag when I got this Birkin 25. So the Hermes in the Loop, this is technically a belt bag that I introduced in winter 2020, and I didn't feel too much about this bag. I wasn't really after it until I saw it in the store, and after I tried it on, I completely fell in love. And after several weeks of using this bag, I was like, I wish I got this bag earlier. And I know a lot of you guys are very curious about, what fits inside and how to wear this bag, because technically there are 6 ways to wear this bag. So I'm going to do a very in-depth review in today's video. So if you're interested, let's get started. Alright, so let me just do a very detailed closer up of this bag, just in case you're curious. So I think this is their very famous design from Hermes. Some people were joking and call this the nose of a piggy. Or I sometimes call this a piggy nose bag, because it's just it really look like the nose of a pig. So it's really cute. And so this is in Swift leather. Before, I was really concerned about the durability of the Swift leather, but after I got this bag, I was like, if I ever get offered a Swift leather Birkin or Kelly in the future, I'll probably grab it because it is pretty soft, very luxurious, but at the same time super durable as well. So I completely fell in love with the leather. So this is in the color Rouge Piment, or 5X, but it's two-tone. So it's a Verso bag. So if you can take a look, inside the interior is actually in Rose Azali. So it's a pinkish color as an interior, and the outside is a very, very true red color. And I just really love the color combination. I believe this bag comes with a lot of different colors. A blue color one also comes in Verso, so the interior was actually green. And I just love how Hermes play with their color. However, there's a little car slot inside, and then the car slot, the leather is actually the same leather, the same color as the exterior, which is Rouge Piment. So it's really cute. And let me flip to the bag. So this is how there are two kind of metal parts where you attach the the strap to the bag, and sometimes some people will wear it with a twilly, and I really adore this kind of metal design because it's the same design as the bag itself, and how you open the lock is quite interesting. So let me see whether you can see it. So you just pull this out, you turn it, and then see there's gap between the metal parts. And this is how you put your strap in and out. I thought this is a very genius design, and it's pretty heavy. And so I feel it's made of really good quality. And I really love that it's in the palladium hardware, because it just matches perfectly with the white stitching. And on this hand, I'm not sure whether you can see the small details. So the zipper comes with a leather pad as well with white stitching. And on this side, let me show you really quickly. So towards the tail end of the zipper, you can see there's a very small H logo. So this shows the attention to details from Hermes. And let me just open up the box to show you what else comes with the bag. So it actually comes with a bag insert. How interesting. So here's like the bag insert that it comes with, and if you can see, like on the side, it's actually wider on top, and as you go down, like it's becoming more and more narrow. So this is consistent like with the shape of the bag itself. I thought this is such a genius design because by nature this is a bell bag, so they wanted to like kind of like tie really closely to your body. So imagine if it's the same width from the top to the bottom, the bag will actually pop out. So it wouldn't look as pretty or like feel as comfortable as the current design. So I absolutely adore this design. I thought this is genius. And the bag insert will definitely help protect the shape of the bag if you're not using it. And what also surprised me is it actually comes with like multiple like dust bags. For example, this bigger dust bag is, you know, to protect the bag itself. The smaller one is to like, you know, protect the strap. And they also come with a lot of other like, you know, protective layers to help put the bag in shape. And I just thought like this is really a lot of thoughts and details going into the design of this Hermes in the loop bag. And let me just now show you like the different ways to wear this bag, and I can also like show you very quickly, you know, like how I usually put on my put the bag on myself and how it matches with my, you know, black little dress that I'm wearing today. So first way to wear this bag is definitely to hold it by hand, but the fact that it comes with this little like lock, you can, if you're wearing a belt or something, you can simply just hand it over your belt or like kind of like strap it onto your belt so that it's like actually like hanging to, you know, like the belt or like whatever jeans that you're wearing. I thought that was a very smart way to wear the bag. And another way to wear it is to kind of like attach it to the other tote bags that you're wearing. For example, like I'm using my Never Full from Louis Vuitton. And what you can do is if you can pull out the lock and then kind of, you know, strap it into like the, you know, like the LV bag, and this is how it looks. How cute is that? So for example, if you're traveling and you feel like, oh, you need some, you know, extra, you know, bag with the zipper to put your passport, your, you know, credit cards, you know, on top of like the tote bag that you're carrying. This is a very cute way to carry the bag. What do you think? Okay, so again, like this is the second way, and I really like the design of the lock. I think it's really smart. The third way is, of course, using the strap that it comes with. So this is how you kind of like attach it to the strap. You just put it through, close the lock, and on the other side, see, like it's very simple. So you can kind of just like open it and then close the lock on the other side, and here we go. Please know like the strap is actually adjustable. So if you want to make it even longer or like to shorten it depending on your personal preference or your height, you can absolutely do so very easily. And this is my favorite way of wearing this bag. Looks so casual and how like, you know, chic and effortless it is. This is my favorite way to wear it, like crossbody, and I think it's just like very, very cute. And the fact that it just like kind of like lands around like my stomach, make it super like, you know, convenient for me to use, because like I can just like simply open it with a zipper and then grab whatever I need and then close it with no problem. And I usually wear my crossbody bags on the left hand side, and it also like show all the details of, you know, like the metal and also like the strap. And I think it's just like maybe like it looks like accessory to your overall outfit. And you can also wear it on one hand. So this is another like, you know, popular way to wear the bag. So you can wear it on the side, and the fact that it's actually becoming more and more narrow towards the bottom make it really comfortable as you wear it on the side. And now I'm just going to show you what fits inside of this Hermes in the loop bag. Let me tell you, it fits a ton. It looks so small. So if I compare this to my Birkin 25, it looks absolutely, you know, like maybe one half of the size, or like even 1/4 of like how much fits into my Birkin. But to be honest, I feel like you can pretty much fit all your daily essentials into the belt bag. Let me show you very quickly. Okay, first and foremost, of course, like we need our, you know, phone. So this is the largest size iPhone. So mine is the iPhone like 12 Pro in the, you know, like the plus size. So as you can see, it fits super comfortably into the belt bag, and you still have a lot of space. So next off, I'm going to put my card holder into the belt bag. So this is also like a Verso card holder that I ordered from my sales associates. I absolutely adore this color. And if you're interested, I can also do a detailed review of like the SLGs that I purchased recently. So the same, like it fits pretty comfortably into the belt bag, and we still have a lot of space. I can't live without my Vaseline, so this is the third thing I'm going to put inside of the bag. And you know, like a hair tie, just in case you want to tie your hair up. And then also like you know, a lipstick from Chanel. Who can live without a lipstick, right? So as you can see, like after I fit all my daily essentials, I still have a lot of space in my Hermes in the loop bag, and you can close it pretty easily. I might say like maybe I can fit additional like car key, or maybe a corn purse, or you know, some additional, a pack of tissue paper into this belt bag, and it can hold up a lot. And even with all the daily essentials, it's pretty light. And then the fact that you can wear it, you know, crossbody and kind of like free up your hands, it's perfect. Although like I love my Birkin 25, I think this is a very like classic bag that everybody's chasing after. Well, I feel like I absolutely fell in love with the Hermes in the loop bag, and I tend to reach for it even more compared to my Birkin. And I know a lot of you guys might be curious about, you know, like the retail price for both bags. And this is, you know, like the one thing I want to tell you is this bag is such, you know, a good purchase, at least to me, because it's only retailed at $3,500 US. So think about it. If you were to consider like an SLG or like very small leather good from Chanel, they're pretty much around like the 3,000, 4,000 price point, versus like this small lady, it's all leather, it's very chic, and also like super comfortable, fits a lot, and this is only like $3,500. And let me compare this to like my Birkin. So the Birkin 25 is retailed at $9,850 US, because mine is in the TN leather. So see, like there's a huge price gap between these two. So if you're thinking about your first ever Hermes handbag, I would totally recommend the in the loop bag. And I don't think you will ever regret it, because it's such an everyday bag. It's not too much, and at the same time it's like it fits all your daily outfits. It's very casual, and it can fit a lot. All right, so I hope this video is helpful. For those of you who are interested in this bag, I definitely recommend it. And please let me know if you have any other question, or if you want me to do like other reviews of Hermes handbags. And if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you all in my next video. Bye guys!